345 gang, what's up with it? Big Brando back with another one. Yes sir. And I'm sorry, man, this is like my third time changing out my damn fog light. This shit pissing me off. I ain't got that hold on, I ain't got that you know, the like the little pan that cover like the undercarriage type shit. Y'all see what I'm talking about? I ain't got that pan. And I ain't gonna lie, Dayton, Ohio got some bumpy ass roads. It's bumpy as fucking Dayton, Ohio, and I probably done smack some shit, and this mug always be going out. It's only my right one though. It's only my right one. It's only that one that do that. That's just annoying as fuck. But I'm about to basically show y'all how to put the fog light on a Chrysler 300C Hemi, of course, on gang. You know I'm coming. Gang shit. But yeah, man, I'm about to get to it on gang. I'm about to show y'all so y'all can see. I need new fog lights, like the outside period anyway. I've been waiting on them. I ain't been slacking on checking on the confirmation email and shit. But y'all can see this motherfucker busted up. When I bought it was like that. So whoever had it before me had to get in the front end. They smacked their shit in the front end or some shit like that. Y'all can see I ain't do none of that. That's on me. I can drive, goddammit. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all how to basically change it out. Whoever don't know how to do it. You know, some motherfuckers be going to shops, get their shit paid for. I'm that one nigga who don't do that. I'm gonna do all my shit myself. It's gonna stay like that. 345 gang, I had to jack them up to get to the fog light. I'm gonna show y'all what's under there. And yes, this jack is from Walmart. And yes, it's the cheap one. Like 20 bucks. And don't talk about the fuck I'm about to lay on. Get up under here. Boy, this big winter coat for work. Anybody know Carhartt? You getting together, boy. But y'all can see. Hold on. Hold on, right there. I see it. It's right there. And this mug just be, I don't know. It's always fucking up on me. It's like my third time changing it, but I'm about to show y'all how to change it out. Get back with y'all. I'm about to grab the light. Y'all can see the light right there. And look, busted up. I already knew that because I went under here and checked it already to see. And this mug is always, it's like this every trip. Once I get my new my new fog lights, I ain't gonna be using these basic ass fog lights. I'll get some LEDs, some better ones. If you ever install this, make sure do not touch the light bulb. Do not touch that at all. Got him off. Let's get this new one on. Better be careful. Do not touch the light at all. Get him plugged back up. He clipped in there. Make sure he's snug in there. Don't touch the light on nothing. Try to be as careful as possible. You get him in there. That's the line. Boom. He clicked in there. He clicked in there. Oh, I thought it was covered up the whole time. But y'all just seen that. He in there. The new one in there. start it up. I ain't even about to start it up. I'm just go ahead and show y'all. I'll get back with y'all. Hold on. Don't mind that. That's from work. Back jumping. Y'all see me? Easy ass DIY. You do it yourself. Look, I can see that in there. Like that's the light bulb. Fuck. See, I don't even know. I don't even know what to do to get that out. See, man, my fog lights needs to come in, man. Y'all can see it's all busted up. This one ain't that bad, but this one busted up too. But I'm waiting on my fog lights to come in. If not, I'm just gonna go to a pick and pull junkyard and just grab some. Man, I've been waiting for like almost a month with this whole COVID-19 shit been going on. Been taking forever to ship my stuff. But yeah, we back in there though. It's gonna work for the time being. And just like that, we'll get back with y'all on the next one. For any DIY I do myself on my car or anything like that, make sure I vlog it, make sure I get it. And you know, a lot of new content gonna be coming soon for sure. I got a lot of new stuff coming for the whip, man. It's gonna be crazy. I can't wait to put it on for real. Can't wait. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Push that notification bell. Y'all get all my content, all my good ass videos, all my good content, man. And just like that, I'm gonna get back with y'all on game.